see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning guys, we're in the car. Ida-drop off lang namin yung mga bata dito sa kung saan sila bibigapin ng school bus. And we're going to the mount. Kasi guys, punta tayo ng Adelaide. Bigla ang Adelaide. Kwento ko sa inyo mamaya bakit tayo punta ng Adelaide. I-drop off lang namin itong mga bata. Si Holly kasama ko. So, absent siya today. It's Friday. No one's here yet. Okay. See you, Kuya. Love you. Listen and learn. Love you. I thought you just gonna kiss me once. Let me see you. Listen and learn. Love you. Put your money in your pocket, please.
Did you get all of these?
Yes, I did.
Mom, look, this is Netflix, and look, it's like YouTube.
Yeah, but
This
do
is
you have a
my
charger? Do you have a charger for that? See? Nag-download siya ng movies kasi walang internet yung phone.
And it's like YouTube. It's my favorite.
Okay. So yun na nga, punta tayo ng Adelaide. Kahapon kasi nag-text si Reyes. And may sinend siya sa akin na festival, Filipino festival, like musical, food, Filipino festival. So sabi ko, ano ito? May tinext ako sa kanya na sabi ko, ano ba yung sinabi ko sa kanya? Sabi ko, ang galing. Sabi ko, ang galing. And then, kasi ang galing kasi si Holly, yung kids, walang ano ngayon, wala silang sports bukas kasi pahinga nila. So, tamang-tama na ano talaga na nagkataon ba na wala rin kaming footing or netball na pupuntahan bukas. And ang original plan is ako, sama-sama sa kanya sa Melbourne. What time you're leaving tomorrow? Lunchtime? Oo. So, pero balikan lang yon. Pero sabi niya mas mag-enjoy ako dito. Kaya Adelaide na lang pinili ko. Yeah, punta tayo ng Adelaide. Tagal namin hindi nakita. Ito hindi ito makakapag-Adelaide muna kasi busy siya sa farm. So kami na lang muna ni Holly dadalaw sa kanila. And yeah. Are you excited? Hoy! You're watching already, Baba. You didn't bring your charger. You don't have charger for that one. How about this one? Is this gonna work? Kasi meron akong portable charger. Wala siya yung cord. You're gonna miss me. Ang lamig na, guys. And etong scarf, nabili ko to sa online to, guys, Cider. So first time natin siyang gagamitin. And eto din, kasi malamig na, kailangan natin ng scarf na talagang warm and then knitted. Size small to, pero ipakita ko sa inyo, ang laki niya. Pero ano siya kasi, ganun talaga yung ano niya, ang design sa kanya or pagka, yeah. Akala ko nga large, ko bakit ang laki ng kinuha? Alam ko small. Kasi nung sinukat nung nasa ano ba, yung nakasuot na model nito, nakalagay extra small, pero parang ang laki na sa kanya. So kaya kinuha ko small. Small ba? Yeah, basta malaki siya. Ganyan. Pakita sa inyo mamaya pagdating namin sa Adelaide. Ang pangit ng weather. Yan yung weather namin today. It's warm, huh? It's really warm. Ayan na yung aming bus. Parang ako uwi ng Bicol. Feel like I'm going to Bicol, Han.
Yeah.
Go there, Han.
Where?
Oh, no. It's alright here. Han, here. Out there. Closer.
It's tree.
Ito, may malapit para akin na rin dito. Oh. outside. It's gonna rain. Go around, honey, and park here. Show mo una. Say bye-bye to daddy. Kadagahan. See you now. See you to daddy.
Dad, that was rude.
Huh? Yeah.
Snake in the luggage. Go. Say I love you. Iwalay na naman sila. Dati si Oli nasusuka. Ngayon parang, pero naghingi pa rin siya ng vomit bag. Pero meron naman
That fine? Where? Alright, babe, gotta go. Sorry about that, love.
Our first bus. Oh no, this is our first bus. Second. Yeah, second time na pala namin this year mag-bus. Ang pangit ng weather. Ang lamig, guys. Parang naka-aircon pa kami dito. We are moving now. Dito na pala kami sa Keith. Lunch time. Alis daw kami dito ng 11:58. 11:29 na. 11:58 kami alis na. So, ilit muna. Naka-order na kami. Meron tayong chips. 2 ribs na chicken. And mocha dog for Holly. And gravy. Water kami today. You want gravy? So, kumuha lang ako ng 2 ribs. Ayan, ito favorite part ko. And bukas pala may dinner kami. Nagbook na si Ray na kung saan kami kakain. For tomorrow. Mamis lang. Hindi kasama mga bata. Tinext niya sa akin kung saan kami mag-out. Pinas niya muna ako kung okay doon. Sabi ko, okay lang kahit saan. The Japanese, ano kami. Some chicken ba? Finish that one, sorry. We have to hurry up because 11:55 we have to leave. Bakit masarap ang makasalan? Minsan masarap, minsan hindi ang chicken nila.
I have them. They're my kids.
Diba?
And here, the red.
Ah.
Look,
Dito na pala kami sa bus. Time is 12:02. Sabi, alis kami 11:55 pero hindi naman nasunod.
we're supposed to be here.
Yeah. Wala pa yung iba. Sunny dito. Doon sa amin maulan. Tingnan nyo. Very sunny.
And we brought all the kids.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold.
Just
It's just sunny. Madaming sa labas. Pero very clear yung ano nila dito. Yung sky. Mamaya na lang. Sorry. City na kami guys. Malapit na kami sa terminal. And tinanggal ko yung scarf kasi sunny dito. And medyo mainit na sa ano. Sa bus kasi. In-off ko yung aircon.
we need Adelaide.
Manually, we're here now.
We need
Ah.
Adelaide.
Yeah, terminal na kami. Ayan na. Nauna na si Rayce. Nandito na siya eh.
It's already here.
Yeah. See you soon. Dito na pala kami guys. Hello. Di! Ayan na, dito na kami. Ang cute ni Di! Hindi siya nangingilala kahit ang tagal namin hindi nagkita. Di! Say hi! Hi! Say hi to the vlog! Happy day!
Hi, baby.
Say happy day!
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boing. Hi, baby.
Careful ah, careful. Careful.
I didn't carry you.
Careful ah.
Now jump. Baby, baby.
Okay, jump.
And boom. Hi, baby. Bye-bye, baby.
Nag-order pala akong Coco sa Uber Eats. Pa-deliver dito. Hi, ate! You're so pretty! May swimming siya. Swimming. Si ate Holly sasama sa kanila. Tsaka si Arlo may swimming. Ikaw, how about you? How about you? Do you have swimming?
You wanna jump?
Jump. Rabbit. Nga pala. Mother's Day pala. Mag-biyahig ako. Mother's Day.
Thursday stories sa school.
Ah,
Kaya alam ko
Sunday.
naman siya ako naman nagbayad. Pero sila kasi pipili. Meron silang
Ah, di ba
pa-shop.
ginawa din yan last year?
Oo, meron silang pa-shop doon. So sila pipili na regalo for mommy. Pero wala si Arnold.
Ang laki,
Thank you,
ang laki ng baunan nila.
Oo, kasi dalawa. May ganito.
Ah.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan. Tapos wala siya.
Ah. Excited na ako sa Coco.
Ano mo dyan? Gusto mo?
Oh, wala. Yun lang. Huwag mo akong demonyohin. Demonyohin. Ano? Anong pinabaon mo sa kanila?
Ano? Strawberry, apples, wraps. Ay, fairness kay Arlo. Empty.
Ay, ako, yung dalawa smiley frites.
Oh, yeah? Hindi kasi bumibili si Daniel. Si Ella din.
Ah, hindi sila kumakain ng smiley. Masarap kaya. Smiley frites. Ipatry mo.
Kay Ella, hindi
Ha?
pa kanila na-try.
I-try
Yung gusto
mo.
ni Ella, 26.
Ah, okay. Smiley frites, masarap. Gusto niyo yung mga bata.
Hindi pa nila na-try.
Oo. Ay, hindi. Pag pumunta ka ng coast, pwedeng free. Oo, i-try lang kung gusto nila.
Yung mga ano na natin. Inuubos niya kasi pinapakain ko sa kanila sa bahay.
Di ba walang sayang?
Ako din naman kakain ito. So, pero yung apple.
Sabi ni, si Arlo.
Yeah. Si Arlo, ubos oh.
Sabi ko, ay! Kaya nga.
Kakainit niya sa akin yan.
Ano yung wraps?
Sabihin niya, Mami, parang wala eh, ha?
Gusto yung hot food?
Initin ko. Ayla, got a little bit left. Come on. Your lunch. Just eat the biscuit. I'll be happy with the biscuit. Because Tita Manay's got a surprise for you.
That's,
Yeah.
eh, si Day, tatakbo din si Day.
Yan, sige, syempre.
Siyempre, taga-kain ka ng tira ng bawal. Come on, go, go, come on, come on. Say happy day. Say happy day. Yeah, I have a surprise. You have to eat. I have a surprise coming soon.
Do you want this?
Happy day.
Oh, you make a hot bomb.
Sabi
ko sa'yo.
Make it hot, Mom.
Yeah.
Like Kuya Sak. He likes warm.
It's 2024.
You're welcome.
Only like you.
Yeah.
One on three.
Make it happen.
What did you do at school, Arlo?
I play with Harry. That's my friend.
Ano ba?
I played with Harry, my friend.
Ah, who's your friend? 6'7" na yung isa ko. Parang kasi Tito Jan. Tito Jan always says, Holly, 6'7". 6'7". Do you miss Tito Jan? Tito Jan misses you. Yeah. Happy day.
Mystery Zach and TJ.
Oh, yeah, you miss them. They miss you too. Kuya Sak, watch your vlog.
Is that
And
food?
you're supposed to come, but I said no.
Yeah, I want to go.
Sili Tita Manay kasi because we're not gonna fit in Mommy's car if we go somewhere.
But
Kung
then
gusto
sit
sana
in the
sumama ni
back.
Sak.
But then sit in the back.
Sino na ba? I will be in the back in Holy.
Oh.
Oh, remember?
But we have only tiny seats.
Yeah, you only have tiny seat. Yes. Oh, gusto sana sumama ni Sak. Sabi ko dito ako kasi sa car pag umaalis.
What the heck?
Sabi ko, magdadala na silang dalawang car. So, sabi niya, sad si Sak, gusto niya talaga sumama. So, sasama na lang siguro siya sa Melbourne. Kasi sabi ni Jan, kung gusto niya sumama sa Melbourne,
I'll see you outside.
nag-Melbourne na lang. Kasi dapat talaga ako sasama, kaso nga lang balikan. Sabi niya, baka mapagod ako. Tapos nag-text si Race. Tapos sabi ni Jan, perfect. You will be happy there, sabi niya. May enjoy ko pa. Tapos isama ko si Holly. Sabi, you will enjoy the food, the Filipino food. Sabi ko, yeah. So, kaya dito na lang ako. Tapos Sunday, Mother's Day. Tapos sabi ko, kakain din kami sana sa, Sunday, lunch. Like, lunch or afternoon tea.
Yeah.
Tapos sabi niya, i-reschedule na lang daw namin. Tapos si Holly, gusto niya mag-mother and daughter bukas. Kasi nga wala silang, laro. Bye nila, ang tawag bye. Parang pahinga nila this week. Yun sana din ang plano na ni Holly Saturday. Kaso nga, may mas magandang plano. Magbabiyas.
Sa kanya, mag-ano tayo? Mag-festival.
Oo. Mas maganda yung plano kasi ang tagal din namin hindi nag-Adelaide kasi nga busy na si John, guys. Busy na ang Johnny Boy sa farm.
At least nasanay ka na mag-bus.
Oo, sabi ko nga din kay Holly, Baba, you're not vomiting anymore. You don't feel dizzy.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, you get used to it. Sabi ko, next time we go Melbourne. Sabi ko sa kanya.
Ilang oras ba Melbourne?
Same.
There you go.
Sabi ko, next time, Sabi ko, next time we go Melbourne.
Oo, mag-ano kayo?
Kaya nga, sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi sabi, nasanay naman. Tapos sabi ko, just think about we're going to the province or in the city. Sabi ko kay Jan, I feel like I'm going to Bicol, Bab. Yes, you're going to Bicol.
Nag-ano sila, nag-usap sila ni Dan recently eh.
Nag-uusap nga sila, hindi lang the other. Sabi ko, what did you talk to them? Yeah, once in a while we talk. Sabi ko, okay, buti pa kayo, lagi kayo nagtutok. Sila talaga, sabi ko, parang kayo yung talagang unang friends. Kami lang yung sabit. Kami na yung naging sabit sa inyo. Si Jan kasi si Dan, once in a while, nagtatawagan talaga sila, nagkakamustahan. Kami, wala, pag may plano lang talaga, pero yung dalawa, kahit hindi magkita, nagtitext sila. Minsan nagsisend-send kung ano-ano. Lalo na nung COVID, kung ano na. Nung COVID, grabe yung nila din, text nila. Miss na miss kasi nakalock tayo,
Sabi
lockdown.
niya, kailan ka pupunta dito? Hindi pa daw kasi nga busy daw siya.
Busy talaga. Ang dami niyang ganap. Halos every weekend. Tapos, every 2 weeks, Thursday. Andun sila, ayan naman si Holly. Talaga ganyan naman si D.
Okay lang yan, hindi ka balikan.
Kaya
Ano na yung mag-lock?
Uy, wala na siyang Tita Mer sa baby na next time niyang kakargahin. Kasi ito malaki na. Malaki na to eh. Tingnan mo. Malapit na. July, ilang mas? July ang due date niya, di ba? August? August pala. Malapit na. In 2 minutes, are you excited to see my surprise? May surprise ako sa kanila. It's coming, dear. Happy day! Kuya Sak really wants to come though because Kuya Sak misses you. Come on, Day. Come on. Miss na ni Sak sila. Wow, pati si Jan. Kaso busy si Tito Jan. Busy. Ang galing naman ito. Happy day. Bakit ang gaan mo na? What? More daw apple, mommy? More apple? Okay. More? Gonna say, say ta? Ta? Say ta? 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 Si Dan busy din, so what?
Okay lang. Hindi naman as kasi nakakaano pa siya, kapit up pa siya.
Kaya, nandito na yung surprise ko. Go, Di!
Nakikisali din.
Hi! Thank you!
I just need the code, please.
Pardon? My code?
Yes.
Yes, my code pala yun. Wait, yeah. May sinad kasi sa akin na code. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, my code. Thank you.
All good.
Yes, bye. Thank you. My code. First time ko nagko-code ba talaga, Day?
Hindi ako nagpapadoorbell.
Hindi ko naman alam. Malay ko.
Wala na. Binalik ko yung apple.
Ay, gusto niya din. Uy, di. So, eto siya, winter melon kay di. Winter melon kay di. Patay mo. May free. Ah, yes.
Manners.
You like it?
Is this yours? Yeah. What is it to Tita Manay?
You're welcome. You're welcome. You like my surprise? Huy, huy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Meron tayong free. Wala. So, pag naka $30, may free. May promote sila na na bagong flavor.
Honeydew.
Ah, honeydew? Oh, parang parang yung...
Wala tong balls, di ba?
Wala ata. Try mo muna, be. Yung free kay Di. Kasi tingnan mo, atat na atat si Di makakuha siya. Ano? Can I try?
Balls.
May bubbles? Can I try? Ay! Merong something.
What is it to Tita Manay?
May gel. Okay lang.
Yeah,
It's
okay
good.
lang yun. Kaya yan.
What
It's
do you say
good,
to
it's
Tita?
jelly.
What do you say?
Parang sa short. Thank you. Again, what you gonna say? What you gonna say? What do you say?
Thank you.
Cute! Ang dasa niya na. Ang lasa niya, yung parang sa church.
Asa parang?
Yung amoy ba sa church? Yung parang santan. Alo! Parang santan. Sampagita. Parang sampagita ang lasa. Neram ko lang yan sa kanya kasi nga, punta kami dito. Okay, enjoy natin tong Gusto ko sana may mangbin, hindi ko makita yung ad.
What do you say to Tita Manay? What do you say?
Thank you. Ang cute ni Di.
You lucky girl.
Di yung sa'yo parang church. Para siyang yung parang floral ang taste. Parang bulaklak ang lasa. Tingnan mo. Di!
Kill people.
Come on, come here. Out of the rock. Come here, Dili. Nagkalap ka na dyan, Day.
Guys, dito pala kami. Ibababa na kami ulit ni Ray sa bus station.
What is this, guys?
This is the bus station, Ayla, the bus terminal.
The bus terminal. Guys, dito pala kami kasi pupunta kami ng Chinatown, di ba? Yung vlog natin kung saan
Looks
na.
like China. Is this China?
We're going to Chinatown, ate. Kayo, food trip kami kasi di ba sa bahay, diet
So
lang ako
every
ng diet.
Chinese people here
Dito,
sick of
kakain
us.
tayo.
Sure.
Guys, ang dami na nangyayari dito sa amin.
Jacket on.
Ang tagal namin makapasok sa car park. May kumatok na.
Sabi, masyado kang patience, sis. Kanina ka pa
Tagal
dyan.
na po kami. Siguro mga, ang tagal, 15 minutes ba?
20?
20 minutes kami, guys.
It was there
Doon
somewhere.
sa kabila. Ang tagal, wala. Hindi kayo makapasok dito. Tapos, Central Park din to. Kasi ibang way. Pero tinan nyo naman.
My goodness.
Nakalagay, stop, car park full. O, di ba? Wala na. 30 minutes na. Dami na sana nating nakain.
Yeah.
Yung dalawa kawawa. Kanina pa sila naiinis. Si Kuya walang trust. Layo niya sa'yo.
Maybe I shouldn't wear this jacket.
Yung kumatok sa amin siya nagturo dito. Ang liit niya lang. Hindi mo talaga siya, hindi mo siya makikita. Tapos parang,
Just, kasya lang ako
hindi
just.
din. Parang, hindi rin ako papasok. Parang hindi mo siya papasukan. Kasi napaka niya, tight.
Yeah.
Pero full na, guys.
I
Sobrang full.
put my feet.
Okay pa bang gas natin? Full tank pa ba tayo?
Hindi ako full tank.
Kuha lang kami ng ticket.
Tenants.
Dito na tayo sa Central Market. Lakad-lakad lang. Ang ganda ng weather talaga. no?
Dapat pala pinasukan natin yung tabi. Tapos paganda.
So at least alam na natin next time kung ano saan papasok.
Pero dapat hindi tayo naka-U-turn dun. Hindi, bawal kayo
Bawal.
mag-U-turn
Kaya
dun.
nga, pero madami naman na gumawa. No, look at the lollies later.
Uy, dinner first, ha?
Dinner first.
Tayo dapat dinner first.
Yeah, we're gonna eat first. Yes, yes. Yeah, later we're gonna get that
Well,
one.
I'm getting wax.
Huh?
I'm getting wax
Wax.
candy.
Ah, this one. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Where is it? $7.
Not that much.
Can we eat first?
How is this more expensive? Wait,
Okay.
Okay, get it
You
and
already
then
have
eat it
them.
later. Sige na, kasi kanina pa
I already get one.
Just that one?
What's that?
The ring pop after dinner.
Oh, there's more on the other side.
Saan tayo? Saan tayo mag... Tingin muna tayo. Uy, may mangustin ba? Oo, dito doon tayo. So, punta tayo dito.
Alam mo, unahin natin doon.
Okay, oo, yeah. Come on, ate. Tingin-tingin muna kami kung anong kakainin. Kasi ang dami. Hindi mo alam kung anong kakainin natin. Oo, may mga nuts. Libutin natin. Ayan. Diyan tayo galing. Dito tayo. Pag ano tayo para... Diretso ate. Meron sila. Meron. Nasaan?
Because
Ang kilo? Pwedeng balatan.
they were overseas.
May ano. Ayun, 45.
Well, yeah, because Tracy was
Bayaran sa balat.
Kaya nga, balatan.
exactly. That's what we.
Shit, nagsawa ko dito sa Pinas. Sa Pinas dami.
I think they're all in the Victoria.
May bag ba siya?
Do you have a bag? Thank you. Meron naman pala. Bili tayo ng empanada. Pasok tayo dun sa market. Meron dyan na masarap na tinapay. Yung malapit sa ano, sa...
Labas tayo sa market.
Nasa loob... Oo. Hold this one, okay? Wala kayong na makakainan dito. So, lalabas tayo ng market. Pero bilhin ko muna yung ano, gusto ni Holly dito. Yung wax. Gusto niyang itry. Sila ni... Yeah, just get that one. Ate Ayla, what do you want? Ate, get one ate. What do you want? Ayan kasi madami na to. So mag-share na lang sila dito sa ano, sa wax.
May marami dito. Ato.
Yun nga, yun ang kinuha ko.
Ikaw,
Ikaw, what do you want ate?
this.
Ito ba? Na-try niya ba to? Na-try niya ba to? Yung American ano. Pero, oo.
Oh, I tried them.
Yeah. Yung bubblegum na lang ate. Hindi nuraan niya yun eh.
Yeah. Which one? Go choose. Dito mo na yung ones.
Come on baby.
Gummies.
Gamis na lang. The Jolly. Yeah. Try that one. The Jolly ate. How about here? You want anything here? Fairy floss.
There's some on the other side. Do you wanna look?
Okay, choose here ate. Kung si daddy mo to, itong bibili ni Dan. Yeah, okay. Okay, come on. Thank you. Okay na. Hi. Tara, tingin tayo. Chinatown na tayo, guys. Malapit lang naman. Nag-cross lang kami from there. Sarado na. Wala na dun yung gusto kong tinampay. Wala na rin yung tart. Ay, ang bango.
So we're eating here?
Yes, we're eating here.
Isang chicken na lang, tapos isang pork.
Na-skewer ha, barbecue po. Dito tayo kay, Budok. Sa Chinatown.
Isa na lang chicken breast pork. O, isa ka pork.
Kasi yung isa chicken, so yung isa naman pork. Okay, naka-order na tayo. Hintayin lang natin itong mag-beef. And then, si Rice, bumili ng drinks. Mainit. Buti na lang hindi ako puffer jacket. Lalo ko pa sana. Buti na lang hindi ko tinuloy. Kasi, hindi naman siya ganun sa kalamig. Tanggalin ko na nga. Nagtirap ko lang akong bag kay Rice kasi naiwan ko yung bag. Lumipat kami guys. Galing kami doon. Nakakita kami ditong kubo-kubo. Sa kubo kami. Ayan, uminom na sila ng kanilang drink.
Mommy, you try?
No, I'm good at it. I wanna eat my You're right?
Oh, girly.
Okay, it's very hot. Ate, don't touch this.
Please.
Don't touch, don't
And I
touch.
go wax hair.
Ate, listen. No touching. Hot, very hot.
There's gummy clusters and I'm gonna eat wormies. I'm eating these off the tape. I'm eating these off the tape. Everyone, you shush, okay? You shush. I keep pushing them around. Let's do it. Where the heck is Apple's burning?
It's coming.
That looks like. What's that?
Lechon. Oh, that's salad.
Brownie. Get your lemonade. Leave the other to eat one later. I got it one first. I want. A yum. There's more.
There's more, yeah.
If I knew what my color. What's this?
Magsisi.
Oh my god. There's an egg. There's my
Yeah. Give it some. Lagay mo yung tray.
Wait, it's not there now?
Yeah, you can. Sige, go. Lagay mo yung tray.
Where's mine?
Where ba? Here, Baba. This is yours.
That's what I'm eating. Like
This is yours, ate. May tayo? May serve ate. Meron pa tayo Day? Kutsara to.
Ayan.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oo.
I can't eat it. It's too heavy.
Too heavy. Hot here, ate.
Is that the chicken?
Here. There na.
Have you ordered rice?
No.
No, we have this.
Lechon. Pork skin.
Natawa naman ako. Sa buong parang ang turo-turo ba na may pasabaw? Oo, sauce. Parang palamig.
This is what I
Enjoy the food.
Should I put the sauce and put it on
Tikman natin yung sabaw.
Oo, sabaw. Parang ate the sabaw. Remember the sabaw? Parang probinsya.
Masarap pa ang anghang.
Kaya ito talaga yung mga sabaw sa mga jeepney. Mga turo-turo.
Sarap.
Nagkakamit yun kayo.
Yan si Sige Maki.
Kaya nga eh. Nai-egg na ba? Haluin mo na ito. Yeah, you got
May lemon.
I need to eat this much in my mouth.
Wow, good girl. Mainit?
Mom, what is Oliver doing?
Watching, I think.
Yeah, what's your TV?
Magkabang ano. Dapat talaga.
Sarap lechon? Yeah, sarap lechon.
Yung lechon talaga nila masarap. Ever since, no?
Here, ate.
Mom, better than the milk.
Here, Ayla.
Where's Mom?
Hindi mamalat. Sarap.
What? Mom, please take it off.
Kapag na. Lahat masarap. Pati sabaw.
Eat Tilton on
Ate,
tire. Mom,
ate.
there's thing I really want my chicken.
Eat, ano? Please, eat more, please.
Mother, then you don't get to eat it.
Eat rice. Eat your rice.
Rice. Wow. Sakto na tumatawag. Hi na. Hi. Ay, mag-FaceTime pa talaga.
Where are you?
Sorry? Really? Say hi.
Mom, what?
Where's Dong? Dong is at home.
Where's Holly? Where are you waiting at?
Chinatown.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am
Hi, Dee! Balik na kami sa bahay nila, oh. And Seol, itatry niyo na yung wax. Tomorrow na lang, ate.
What's in the fridge?
Just one, and then tomorrow the other.
Can I have it? Can I have it? I like this flavor. It's cherry.
Alright. She doesn't like the cherry. You don't like it. Nakaligo na pala sila, oh.
I can't have lotion.
Oy. It's alright. It's only a few days. We didn't bring the lotion, ate. Okay, close the vlog, girls.
Okay, please like. Thank you for watching. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Good night.
Good night, Dong. Say good night to my vlog.
Good night.
Good night to my vlog.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Thank you.
I've been
Dee! Say good night. Say bye. Say bye. Ay naman siya, maliligo na to eh. Itong dalawa, si Ayla at si Olo, naligo ng sabay. Bo, bye. Night, night. Good night na, Ose. Uy! Good night. Good night. Gabay na ako. Naka-PJs na tayo. And si Dee, nakaligo na rin. Ako naligo din pa, hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Tingnan, may kumatok sa kwarto. Dee! Look! Oh, careful! Come here! Here, here! This way! Happy day! Yay! Oh, jump in. Oh no! Si Dong may pa-baril. Careful, ate, ha?
And they yolk.
Ah, look at them, ate. Akala ko matutulog ng mga to.
And they yolk.
They're jumping here in my bed. Oh, careful, careful.
Holly, you got me.
Careful, ate. That's enough, ate, Oli.
Holly, you got me. Come with me while I'm gonna go and see what's in your bag.
Oh, wow.
Holly, you got this.
No, lumahabol siya kay Ate Holly. Okay, close my door. Bye. Say good night. Good night. D. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Time, so